all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
Good morning. So it's 10:20. I've already been to work out. This is my second day. Sorry, it's really my third day because the first day we got here at like 4 in the afternoon though. So third day in New York City. So I'm about to go meet my friend who lives here. She's like just getting off work. She works for a radio show, or it might be like a TV show, but she does like production and like on the production side of it. So, and we're about to go meet at this chocolate bakery spot. And then also like, so the Harry Potter store is on the way there. You know what, I need to look at the map and see how far the Harry Potter store is from the Wegmans, because that will determine what I do. Granted, it's 10:20. I'm supposed to meet her at 11:30. Actually, I probably just have time to just meet her because the place is about 25 minutes away on the train. So, or the subway. So, probably just have time to go meet her. And then if there's a bookstore near there, maybe meet her at the bookstore. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I wanted to be out a little bit earlier, but then at the same time I wanted to get ample sleep this week. Like literally that's one of my goals, to make sure I get 8 hours of sleep every day, which is definitely possible, but then that cuts into like the time that I'm out in the city, but that's okay. Like as long as I get to go to one place, I'm perfectly fine with that. There's this bookstore that I want to go to, but it's literally like an hour away on the train. So I'm gonna ask my friend about it. See if that like changes anything, like if it makes it different when I'm getting on the train or whatever. It looks different on the Google Maps, like the way it's set up, like the train colors are different. So I know there's like local trains and then there's something else. Like then there's like express trains, and I don't know the 100% the difference, but I'm gonna ask her and we're gonna figure it out. But I think I might go there on Sunday, which is my birthday. And then the friend that I came with, like her friends like set up brunch, so we're going to brunch at some point. I'm not sure what time brunch is. I'm guessing like 12:30 is what time brunch is, but yeah, well, I'll find out, because she asked me if I wanted to go to the 9/11 memorial, but like she's like really into like history and stuff or whatever, and I was like I don't know, like how much is it? And it's like $84, and I'm just like, I've never been a museum memorial type girly, like never. So yeah, like, you know, obviously respect what she wants to do, but not sure I want to do that, especially on my birthday, like to do something that I really don't want to do, not for me. So and I didn't tell her like that, obviously. I was just like I don't know, so we'll see. Yeah, so what was I about to say? I forget. So anyway, I'm gonna finish putting my makeup on and then go to meet her there. Figure out this train situation. Not figure it out, because I can follow Google Maps. Already determined I can follow the Google Maps. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that. I want to fix a cup of coffee. So I figured out the coffee maker yesterday. They're really cool and they taste really good. I had one yesterday. And I can put it in a cup. So you fill the cup up with water, and then you pour it in there, and then you put the pot in. So you can fill it as like a disposable coffee filter thing. Put the pot in. Let me get some water. So I have like bottled water over there. Don't really using sink water. Anyway, pour that in. There is a little line here. It's not supposed to go over. Put that there, and then you push it, and then it brews. It's about to brew. Super cool. So on this day, I went to meet my friend who actually moved from Maryland to New York for a job. She is the best. And she met me at this bakery chocolatier spot that was so beautiful, and it had like so many goodies. And we decided to get a spicy hot chocolate, and it was bomb. It was literally like drinking liquid chocolate. And then we walked around the corner, and there was a burger spot called Black Tap Burgers. Oh my God, it was so good. And then lastly, I tried another of the 1911 ciders. This was the sangria kind. This was my least favorite. I tried like 4 of them. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting my face down below. And if you haven't seen my previous vlog, I will link it on the screen. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next New York vlog.